Hey everyone, Casey Neistat here. Ever thought about making money online? YouTube's the answer. It's a platform where you can share your passions, connect with people, and even earn some serious cash. Whether you're a tech whiz, a makeup guru, or a gaming fanatic, there's a spot for you on YouTube. Think of YouTube as your own TV channel, but better. You get to choose your content, your schedule, and your audience. Plus, you have the potential to reach millions of viewers worldwide. No gatekeepers, no restrictions, just pure creative freedom. The best part, you don't need fancy equipment or a film degree to get started. All you need is a camera, a story to tell, and the passion to share it with the world. So are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Let's dive in. First things first, let's find your niche. What are you passionate about? What gets you excited to talk about for hours on end? Your niche is simply the main topic of your YouTube channel. It could be anything from cooking to gaming, travel to technology. Choosing the right niche is crucial because it helps you attract a dedicated audience that's genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Think about your skills, hobbies, and interests. What do people always ask for your advice on? Once you've identified a few potential niches, do some research. Check out other YouTubers in those categories. What kind of content are they creating? What does their audience engagement look like? This will give you a better understanding of the competition and help you refine your own unique angle. Remember, your niche should be something you're genuinely passionate about. This will make creating content much more enjoyable and keep you motivated in the long run. Now that you've found your niche, it's time to create some awesome content. This is where you let your creativity shine and engage your audience. Think about the type of videos you enjoy watching and try to incorporate those elements into your own content. Quality matters. Invest in good lighting and sound. You don't need professional equipment, but clear audio and decent lighting can make a huge difference. Keep your videos concise and engaging. People have short attention spans, so make sure your content is captivating from start to finish. Experiment with different video formats. You could do tutorials, vlogs, reviews, challenges, or even short films. Don't be afraid to be yourself. Let your personality shine through in your videos. People connect with authenticity, so be genuine and have fun. Most importantly, be consistent. Try to upload videos regularly, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. This keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Section 4, Building Your Tribe, Finding Your Audience. Creating great content is just the first step. Now you need to build a community around your channel, engage with your viewers, respond to comments, ask for video suggestions, and create a sense of belonging. Promote your channel on social media. Share snippets of your videos, behind-the-scenes content, and interact with your followers. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. This exposes your channel to a wider audience and helps you build relationships within the community. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This makes it easier for people to find your content when they're searching on YouTube. Join YouTube communities and forums related to your niche. This is a great way to connect with other creators and potential viewers. Building a loyal audience takes time and effort, but it's incredibly rewarding. When you have a community that loves your content, it motivates you to keep creating and growing. Section 5. Monetization magic, turning views into cash. Now let's talk about the fun part, making money. Once you've built a substantial audience, there are several ways to monetize your YouTube channel. The most common method is through advertising revenue. As your channel grows and you gain more views, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Once approved, you can start earning money from ads displayed on your videos. Another popular option is sponsorships. Brands often partner with YouTubers to promote their products or services to their audience. Affiliate marketing is another great way to earn passive income. You can promote products or services related to your niche and earn a commission on every sale made through your unique affiliate link. If you have a loyal following, you can even create and sell your own merchandise, such as t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. Remember, monetizing your channel takes time and effort. Focus on creating high-quality content, engaging with your audience, and promoting your channel consistently.